This video is sponsored by AppMaker. Hey everyone, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything about WordPress. And today we're going to see how we can disable WordPress login page from the users. Let's get started. First, let's brief about what this video is actually about. Usually, when you make or work on a WordPress website on a live domain, anyone can access your login page by typing either wp-admin or wp-login.php. And this login method is universal and default to all WordPress websites. Which is the problem? That means anyone sitting in any corner of the world can access your login page. And if they can crack the password, they will have your entire website in their hands. They will have your credentials, site data, analytics, your databases, where information of hundreds or thousands of customers or subscribers might be stored. The people who trusted you to keep that information safe. And I know I might sound like I'm trying to scare you, but there are more than enough people capable of cracking down your password and have enough knowledge to do it. So it is paramount that we take prevention measures to avoid something like this to happen. So if you're running a live website, this video isn't you may add this feature to your WordPress website. It's not that type. It's the type you have to add this to your WordPress website. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to need a plugin called WordPress Hide and Security Enhancer. There is a free version and the pro version. We're going to use the pro version. Now which one you choose depends on what server your website is running on. If you're running a website on an AWS server, you might have to add pro version. So let's go with the pro version, and these settings will be similar or almost the same in the free version. Let's head over to our WP Hide website. The website will be linked in the description. Make sure to check it out. And we're here on the website. Click on pricing and choose which one suits the best for you. Purchase the plugin and it will install a zip file. Now, after you have downloaded the zip file, let's head over to our dashboard. Go to plugins, add new, click on upload plugin and choose the downloaded zip file. And click on install now. Now while this installs, let's talk a bit about our sponsor. This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description. Now we're back and click on activate plugin. Now as you can see, WP Hide Pro section has been created. Go to settings, head down. You will see this link under recovery. Make sure to copy this link and save it in a safe place. I repeat, this is a really important link that will help you recover your website in case something goes wrong with the website. Make sure to save it In the free version, this link might appear in the rewrite section on the top. Now let's head over to admin. Now whatever I will do will be similar in the free version if your server supports it. Now we're going to name what WP login will be replaced by. For now, I'm adding my name and we will block the default WP login.php. Check mark both of these boxes and click on save. Now let's head over to admin URL, which will change the WP admin. And here as well, I will block the default admin and click on save. Now this will redirect you back into the login page where you will have to add the password. Now let's click on login and our plugin has been activated. Let's check it out in incognito tab. I am on a local server, but things should be the same on a live server. Now as you can see, this page is not found. That means no one can log in. Let's try WP login.php as well. And that doesn't seem to be working at all. So that means we have successfully secured our website. Now let's try what we've added to replace these WP login and WP admin. Now let's try using the replacement that we added in our plugin. So for that, first was my name. Now as you can see, my name seems to be working. And we're headed to the login page. Now let's try the WP admin. Now as you can see, this is the default login page as well when we use WP admin. Now make sure to add something that only you can remember and no one else can guess while adding the replacement for WP login and WP admin. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.